Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring some of the most trusted and popular categories in home decor, products that allow you to express your personal style while enhancing the comfort and beauty of your living space. Each item showcased in this presentation is carefully curated for quality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. And the best part? Many of these decor products are now available at special prices during the festive season, making this the perfect time to elevate your home. Home decor is more than accessories. It's the art of creating an environment that reflects who you are. In this video, we'll explore essential categories such as wall art, lighting, rugs and carpets, decorative accessories, furniture accents, plants, planters, and mirrors. These categories represent the foundation of interior styling and are trusted by designers and homeowners alike for their durability and versatility. During the festive season, many of these items are available with exciting discounts, making premium design more accessible than ever. Let's begin with wall art, one of the most powerful ways to transform a room. Canvas paintings add timeless elegance, from abstract themes to serene landscapes. Metal wall decor brings a bold, modern edge, perfect for contemporary interiors. Photo frames personalize your home with memories, while wall stickers offer removable, flexible design options. All wall art pieces featured here are sourced from reputable manufacturers, ensuring long-lasting color, texture, and finish. With festive season offers, you can now build your dream gallery wall at affordable prices. Effective lighting shapes the atmosphere of every home. Table lamps offer soft ambient and task lighting, making them perfect for bedrooms and study spaces. Floor lamps create stylish focal points while providing broader illumination. Chandeliers add a touch of luxury to dining and entrance areas, while LED strips offer a modern way to highlight architectural features or shelves. All lighting options featured are energy efficient, quality tested, and come with warranty-backed assurance, so your home remains bright and beautiful for years. And yes, these lighting solutions are part of the festive discount collection. Finally, decorative accessories bring personality and soul into every corner of your home. Vases, bowls, sculptures, candles, diffusers, and clocks blend function with beauty. These details elevate even the simplest spaces, creating warmth, charm, and emotional connection. Our featured products are created with high-quality materials and tested for durability. This festive season, you can bring home these finishing touches with attractive price reductions, making premium decor more budget-friendly. Home decor is an investment in comfort, beauty, and personal expression. Whether you're refreshing a single room or styling your entire home, these trusted and quality-tested decor pieces help you create spaces that inspire. Don't miss the limited-time festive offers across all categories. Thank you for watching, wishing you a beautiful and joy-filled festive season.